Welcome friends, it's Fern and Frank with Java Walker World. It is early January and we are just heading out for a walk, and we thought we'd take a drive first. We're going to an area a little further away from where we normally are. We're going to a small town called Smiths Falls, but en route we're going to see if there's any nature spots, something nice that we can shoot and show you. So come along with us on our little trip to Smiths Falls, and let's take a look at what Smiths Falls has to offer. Thank you for joining us. And while en route to Smiths Falls, we saw this lovely creek and thought we would take a quick little walk through here to see the nature. It was just too beautiful to pass up. Now on to Smiths Falls.
We are Frank and Fern with Java Walker World. Join us on our journey to quench your thirst for the simple pleasure of a good coffee and explore our magnificent world one step at a time.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty. You came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. I used to think I had plenty